Hey, in this next video, it just occurred to me after it finished uploading that I never explained about how I got the layers panel to be so tall. And I just want to say, if you need to do that, all you do is you move that cursor so you can see both ends of it, and you can drag this up and down. Now, depending upon what you got above it, it may hit a stopping point. So what you can do is drag that layers by its name and pull it out here, and then you can just grab the bottom and make it as long as you need it to. Okay, and then color coding these things. You can color code layers if you want to leave notes for yourself by right clicking out here and then going down and picking a color. And if you want no color, you just go back to normal. And you, of course, you can pick multiple layers and do the same thing. I'm going to turn that back to green. It was green, right? So that you don't everybody knows what's going on. Then I can drag this layers back down to the channels, drop it in there. See how that highlighted? See, when you drop layers in, see, I get a blue line on the side, I get a blue line all the way around there, which means it's going to drop inside that panel. And then I can move it over because I like my layers to the left-hand side. And then I can get that double-headed arrow, pull this down, jump over to properties, and we got plenty of room. Okay, so that's what's coming up. And take your time, work through this, listen to the instructions, and life will be good.